Wash these 5 body parts every day to stay healthy and live longer. Senior Health Old. Please leave 1 subscribe, 1 comment, and 1 like for this valuable video of yours, and share the video on various media to help others stay informed and healthy. In this video, we'll reveal 5 crucial body parts that seniors should wash every day to maintain good hygiene, prevent infections, and support long-term health. As we age, proper personal care becomes more important than ever. These simple daily habits can make a big difference in boosting your immune system and improving quality of life. Watch till the end to ensure you're not overlooking any of these essential hygiene steps. Number 1. Feet. As we age, our bodies go through many changes, and the feet are often one of the first places to show signs of wear and tear. Seniors commonly experience reduced blood circulation, thinner skin, and less flexibility, all of which make foot care even more important. Daily washing of the feet is essential for maintaining hygiene and preventing health issues that can become serious if ignored. Feet tend to sweat and are often confined in socks and shoes, creating a warm and moist environment, ideal for the growth of bacteria and fungi. This can lead to conditions like athlete's foot, fungal nail infections, or even painful cracks and sores. Washing your feet daily with mild soap and warm water helps to remove sweat, dirt, and bacteria. Make sure to wash between the toes, where moisture often gets trapped and infections can begin. After washing, it's just as important to dry your feet thoroughly, especially between the toes, to prevent fungal growth. Applying a gentle moisturizer can also help prevent dry, cracked skin. Healthy feet are essential for mobility, balance, and overall well-being, so give them the care they deserve every single day. Number 2. Underarms. The underarm area is one of the most active sweat zones in the body, and as we age, it remains just as important, if not more so, to keep this area clean. Seniors may experience changes in skin elasticity, sweat production, and immune function, all of which can make the underarms more vulnerable to irritation, odor, and infection if not properly cared for. Sweat itself is odorless, but when it mixes with bacteria on the skin, it creates body odor. Seniors may not sweat as much as younger people, but sweat glands can still produce moisture, especially during warm weather, physical activity, or periods of stress. Daily washing of the underarms with warm water and a gentle soap helps remove sweat, bacteria, and any deodorant buildup that could clog pores. Clean underarms not only prevent unpleasant odors, but also help reduce the risk of skin infections, rashes, and fungal growth. Seniors with limited mobility should make an effort to clean this area or seek assistance if necessary, as neglecting underarm hygiene can lead to discomfort and potential health issues. Pat the area dry after washing, and consider using a mild, non-irritating deodorant if needed. Prioritizing underarm cleanliness is a simple but powerful step toward better health and comfort. Number 3. Groin area. The groin area is one of the most sensitive and delicate parts of the body, especially for older adults. It is naturally warm and often moist, which creates an ideal environment for bacteria, fungi, and yeast to thrive. As we age, maintaining cleanliness in this area becomes even more crucial, particularly for seniors dealing with incontinence, limited mobility, or weakened immune systems. Daily washing of the groin area is essential to prevent skin irritation, unpleasant odors, and infections such as jock itch or yeast infections. Incontinence can lead to frequent moisture and waste contact with the skin, increasing the risk of rashes, skin breakdown, and urinary tract infections, UTIs. Using warm water and a gentle, fragrance-free soap helps clean the area without causing further irritation or dryness. It's important to wash all folds of skin thoroughly, rinse well, and gently pat the area dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing as the skin here is delicate. Wearing clean, breathable underwear and changing it daily also helps keep the area dry and hygienic. Regular care of the groin area not only supports overall hygiene, but also provides comfort, confidence, and protection from avoidable health issues, making it a vital part of any senior's daily routine. Number 4. Neck and behind the ears. The neck and the area behind the ears are often forgotten during daily hygiene routines, especially among older adults. However, these spots are prone to collecting sweat, oils, dead skin cells, and environmental pollutants. When neglected, they can become breeding grounds for bacteria and lead to skin irritation, unpleasant odors, or even fungal infections. The skin on the neck is thinner and more sensitive, making it more susceptible to rashes and dryness. Behind the ears, the small creases and folds can trap sweat and debris throughout the day. For seniors, especially those with limited mobility or reduced sensation, it's easy to miss these areas during bathing. But regular cleaning is important for maintaining comfort and skin health. Daily washing with a soft cloth, warm water, and a mild soap is usually sufficient to keep these areas clean. After washing, it's just as important to rinse thoroughly and dry the skin to prevent moisture buildup. Applying a light, fragrance-free moisturizer afterward can help protect the skin from becoming dry or cracked. Taking a few extra moments each day to clean the neck and behind the ears supports better hygiene, boosts self-confidence, and helps prevent small issues from turning into larger skin problems. Number 5. Hands. Hands are one of the most frequently used and most exposed parts of the body. They come into contact with countless surfaces, objects, and people throughout the day, making them a primary carrier of germs, bacteria, and viruses. For seniors, regular hand washing is especially important, as the immune system naturally weakens with age, making it harder to fight off infections. Everyday activities, like using the bathroom, preparing food, touching pets, or handling money, can spread harmful microbes. Without proper hand hygiene, these germs can easily be transferred to the face, mouth, or eyes, increasing the risk of illnesses such as colds, flu, gastrointestinal infections, and even pneumonia. Washing hands with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds removes dirt, oils, and most pathogens. Pay close attention to washing between the fingers, under the nails, and around the wrists. Dry your hands thoroughly afterward, as damp skin can attract more bacteria. In situations where soap and water aren't available, using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol is a good alternative. For seniors, keeping hand hygiene a top priority is a simple yet powerful way to stay healthy, reduce hospital visits, and live a longer, more comfortable life. Conclusion: proper hygiene is a vital part of staying healthy, especially for seniors. Washing these 5 key body parts, feet, underarms, groin area, neck, and behind the ears and hands, every day helps prevent infections, irritation, and illness. As we age, our bodies become more vulnerable, making daily cleansing routines even more important for comfort and well-being. Taking just a few minutes each day to focus on these areas can greatly improve quality of life and support longevity. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this valuable video to help others stay healthy too, because good health is worth sharing.